Succeeding in today's business environment requires leveraging technology to manage finances across the globe, monitor performance in real time, automate and simplify functions, protect future business outcomes, and maximize productivity. Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations enables businesses to succeed globally by adapting locally to diverse workforces and changing laws, with regulatory features covering 37 countries and 42 languages. Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations is GDPR ready, helping organizations respond to data subject requests with the Person Search Report. Global electronic reporting features configurable e-invoicing, making it easy to adapt to frequent regulatory changes. Finance and Operations provides 50-plus workspaces, each with rich views of analytics and processes tailored by role. Workspaces give real-time insight to big-picture performance, with drill-throughs and details on every transaction. Hundreds of out-of-the-box reports give a detailed view into business processes on various dimensions. Customizable tools help support local and international laws, making it easier to generate end-of-month reports. Using historical data, Finance and Operations helps organizations predict the future. AI, machine learning, and predictive analytics give strategic insights on upcoming cash flow, enabling better decisions, actions, and outcomes. A common challenge for organizations is predicting when customers will pay. Slow and inconsistent payments restrict cash flow and inhibit both long-term planning and daily performance. Through analyzing customer payment history, Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations predicts when invoices will be paid. It also provides organizations strategies to maximize the probability of getting paid on time.
Our brand has very steep growth plans, and we needed an ERP system that could flex with it.
Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations simplifies financial operations with tools like vendor invoice automations, vendor collaborations, quote-to-cash, budget planning, budget control, expense management, and recurring invoices. Intercompany movements and regular financial consolidations are simplified as a benefit of using a shared chart of accounts. Configurable data management tools make it easy for organizations to integrate external data and automate approvals. Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations tightly integrates with Office 365, enabling you to work efficiently with Outlook, Skype, and Excel. Finance and Operations empowers productivity on the go with mobile apps like expense management, vendor invoice approvals, vendor collaboration, and more. These apps also work in offline mode for environments with low or no connectivity.
One nice thing about Dynamics 365 is that I can take a laptop out on the production floor or do whatever I need to do off a hotspot. That's the positive side of cloud. I can be anywhere and be connected.
Finance and Operations empowers organizations to perform both across the globe and on the ground. It derives true business value through the optimization of accurate and timely regulatory reporting and intelligent and predictive insights in context and underpinned by machine learning data that enables efficiencies, new market opportunities, and innovation. Accelerate into the future of global business. Find out more about Dynamics 365 today.